If you're a beginner looking into automated dropshipping and you stumbled on HustlersECOM or maybe the digital monetization.io by Ehsanzz, then this review is for you. But firstly, if you ask me, anybody, did you buy this course or did you join the program? The answer is no. But what I've done is dig deep, gone to a lot of research, private communities and paid forums that I belong to. And I've gone ahead to, ask questions from real users and people that have possibly encountered, had an encounter with Ehsanzz programs in the past and also present. So if you're trying to figure out if this business is worth investing in or just another expensive learning curve, you need to stick around, right? But I'm going to give you the best of the best in the video. So stick around and possibly you'll learn one or two things from this video. Now, let's break down what the program claims to offer, what people are actually saying about it, and most importantly, what they don't tell you until after you've paid. So what exactly is this program? Now, HustlersECOM and the digital monetization.io, their platform offering what this guy calls automated dropshipping, okay? And Ehsanzz is the face behind the brand, which markets the service as a done-for-you business, whereby you pay one-time setup fee plus ad spend, and they claim to handle everything, for you, straight from building your Shopify store to product selection to TikTok ads. So in theory, you just sit back and let the profits roll in. This sounds perfect for a whole lot of beginners because, people don't even want to put in the work. They just want to pay and get the money rolling, okay? But let's actually talk about what is happening behind the curtain, okay? Now, here's where things take a sharp turn because according to a lot of forum users from Reddit and several other forums that I've gone to research, private ones, the story shifts once you actually pay. Someone actually said he joined October and said the store was delivered actually, and then TikTok ads manager was set up and sales also were coming in, but 7 months later, zero profit received. So he actually said every time he asked about his earnings, the team blamed, card processing delays and claimed that the profit could take 4 to 40 days to appear, and it never did. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm able to get from a feedback. Another person also said he invested, say a lot of money on the store and another money on ads. Okay, and orders were actually fulfilled, but payments never came through, but only automated replies. Okay, then another person also said they were asked to keep increasing their ads budget with no return, and one was even told to pay an extra money to get to target ads due to more users in the system. Okay, and some also reported being contacted privately by other victims, like 6 to 7 people with the exact same experience. So a lot of people were promised profit, but none actually received it. So another person also commented that from the outside you will see flashy revenue screenshots, but that's not your money. That's just revenue, not profit, and they will keep asking for more. Okay, so someone also said you're not the customer, you are the product. So these are the things I'm able to see regarding this guy's program. So here is where we're going to take a step back and we examine the model itself, which is dropshipping. Okay. Now, automated dropshipping sounds convenient, but it's also extremely risky because you are giving up control of your store, your budget, your marketing strategy, and in some cases, your customer relationship. So it's just like you're paying to let someone else make decisions with your money. Well, it's not bad, but when it doesn't go well, you're actually left waiting and you're hoping. And most of the time, you usually end up losing everything. Okay. And a lot of, all these Reddit veterans, people on those forums, they pointed out something that there is no real autopilot, which is true because there is no real autopilot out there. Okay. You actually need to put in something. Okay. Or maybe you invest in shares of another company, which will take a lot of time before the stock rises, or maybe you're just lucky. But when it comes to business like this, there is no reward profit. Okay. So the core work of dropshipping, you need to create winning product pages, branding, building brand equity, testing ads, and managing logistics. So this can't be 100% outsourced if you want consistent results. So if there's any agencies on business model that actually make you responsible for all the costs, like all the ads costs, and they're also entitled to a slice of the revenue, most of the time they make money whether you do or you don't. Okay. Now, before we go deeper, let me know in the comments if you've actually heard of, maybe you've had an encounter with HustlersECOM and maybe you're considering it, or maybe you've joined already. You can let us know your thoughts in the comment box. Okay. And if this video is helping you, please make sure that you like and subscribe. just review videos. And presently, I'm now working on creating, tutorial videos on, free tutorial videos on how to make money dropshipping. And I'll get more into affiliate marketing because affiliate marketing is what I've been doing. I made a lot of money from it, though I'm not a millionaire, but I made money. And now I'm doing dropshipping also, and I'm getting results. So I started giving out some free resources on this my page. You can always check them out also for yourself, right? Now, I'm not actually here to. Back to this review. The thing is, I'm not here to accuse anyone, okay? Because some users said they saw orders, and some saw results, okay? But at what cost? Okay, because if you're seeing results, are you actually making profit? You can see results, you can see orders, but at what cost? Okay, so and there are some hidden realities that beginners need to know. Okay, that you need to know is that profit delay of over a month is in this type of business. Okay, like in this type of you invest in money. Okay, and automated replies instead of customer support, it's not also a good one. Okay, and also constant upsell once you are inside, because I think some people are experiencing that also, and there's no clear access to your backend earning. You really don't have access. Okay, so that's kind of crazy. So if you are new to online business, these situations can easily drain your savings before you even understand what is happening. So you need to be very careful out there. Okay, and that's what makes the business model dangerous for beginners, because the shiny sales pitch hides how complex and fragile automated dropshipping really is. So if you are new to e-commerce, you need to ask yourself, do you actually want full control of my business, or am I okay with managing ads, suppliers, and customers myself? Or maybe are you someone that is just looking for shortcuts? Okay, that might end up costing you more than it's even worth. Because the truth is that most of other course creators, they actually make money selling their courses, okay, selling you the dream, and most of them don't even run the actual businesses themselves. If you want to learn dropshipping, you may be better off just following step-by-step tutorials, testing products manually, and you can get a lot of tutorials on YouTube. Okay, I will get some, and I'll link to it in the video description, and also building your skills one piece at a time. And if you want to go into this, please, I would just suggest you just put in a little money into it. You can to at least test things out yourself before you commit fully into this. Okay. So if you ask me, is HustlersECOM a scam? I'm not calling it that. I'm not calling it a scam. But based on what dozens of other users are saying, it's a kind of serious red flag. Okay. And if you are new, you should approach this business model with your both eyes widely open. Okay. So if you want to learn honest, great path to building online income, I've got some tutorials, okay, below. And maybe you just need to, internet marketing, and you just want to make money online. I'm gonna link to a program in the description also. It's about affiliate marketing that you can join, and possibly it helps you to make money. It's by my mentor. I don't own any course. I wanted to call, but it's actually reliable. Till today, there is zero refund on the course. So I believe it's something that I can recommend to my people. I don't have any course. I only have tutorials on dropshipping that I've created. Okay, you can check out I've linked to it in the description or upload them on my channel. So thank you very much. And if you have any experience with this guy also, good or bad, you can drop them in the comment box and possibly help other people. Thank you very much. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Peace, and I'll see you in the next one.